Hi guys, so if you are running an app script and authorization is required in that, if you click OK and select your Google account, what happens? This app is blocked. This kind of message get displayed. This app tried to access sensitive info in Google account. So how to fix this? So what we have to do, we have to just go to your app script, okay, and at the top of app script you have to add this thing at the top of your app script. I have copied and pasted this in the description of this video. Just copy this, click on OK. This I have copied from a Google website and it says that adding this fixes your issue. Now click on it to save and then reload your Google Sheet. And now try to do this again. Click on it. It asks for authorization. Click on this. Click on allow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please do like.